Just leaving Moscow on our way to Spokane. Got some hoops in this morning, so we're dialed in.
Hey guys, this is Ryan. First day of Hoopfest. We are here scouting the opponents. Nate, how are we feeling?
Feeling good. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's go, baby.
Here we go, guys. Any thoughts on the game so far?
It's going well.
Oh, yeah. All right, Coach John back here with the Vandalizers.
Good day. Tired, long day out there. That first game was tough, challenged us, lost by 2 points. But then we rebounded, responded really well to rattle off 2 more wins to end the day.
Oh yeah, like you said, a lot of momentum. We're gonna come at it full strength tomorrow, rest it up.
Gotta hit our shots and get some rebounds tomorrow. Go Vandals, V's up.
Yep. Feeling great. The guys are feeling refreshed, warmed up, and ready to go kill it.
Oh yeah, let's follow us along and hopefully we win this game. But now it's raining, and we're eating some pie, celebrating a loss, unfortunately. But hey, apple pie makes everything better.
The weekend didn't go as we wanted, but you know, we always have next year. Appreciate it.
Go Vandals.
Go Vandals.
So yeah, we're actually stepbrothers.
No,
we're happy.
No, we're
yeah,
I'm just kidding.
stepbrothers, you know, like twinsies stepbrothers.
Yeah.
No, that's funny. Good joke.
All right, so we just got a selfie with somebody who asked if we were brothers, and we are actually not brothers. George, how are you feeling?
I feel great, man. It makes people happy inside when they guess we're brothers and we tell them yeah, even though we're not.
Yeah, each time we're telling them either step, half, or not even related, or twins. George, any others that we say?
Switched at birth is a good one.
Oh yeah, different dads,
People
different
love
moms.
that one. People love that one.
Yeah, but they just want to see us like be brothers. Just makes them happy inside.
Yeah.